Dreaming of spending quality time with family or friends while on the water is made more stylish and comfortable on one of these interesting boats. Pontoon boats are becoming a growing sight on lakes and rivers, and even on beaches for water sports or just the sheer pleasure of outdoor recreation. If you're curious about pontoon boats, then this video is made just for you. Unlike twin-outboard monohulls that have their motors close together on the transom, their twin engines are placed far apart on the outer pontoons, making those horsepower more useful than just for propulsion. Spreading the engines far apart helps with maneuverability at speed and around the dock, but it also opens up the center for getting in and out of the water using boarding ladders or grab rails. Buyers can choose from a wide variety of styles, with customizable interior and exterior details. For those with a taste for luxury, top-of-the-line models have elegant craftsmanship and provisions for all the accessories that suit your style. In this video, I'm featuring the best models from the latest lineup of Manitou Pontoon boats, including their starting price and features. Stick around until the end for the most expensive model. This is Harbour Masters, sharing with you news and information on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. First on my list is Manitou's recreation line of pontoons. When it comes to water activities, Manitou's boats will definitely satisfy you and your family's pursuit of fun. In this model line, you can get the performance of an above-average pontoon at a below-average price. With power suited for skiing or wakeboarding, and ample comfort for all-day drifting, this line has an ideal mix of features and value for a recreational pontoon boat. This model line features high-back seating with soft-touch vinyl upholstery. A foldable entertainment table is also available. Manitou has provisions for custom specs, so you can simply choose any model from the lineup and build it according to your style and desired accessories. This model line has a starting price of $80,999 US. Coming in at number 2 is the LX Sport Pontoon. Experience the power, precision, and styling with sport model pontoon boats that turn heads the moment you hit the water. Powerful performance and big acceleration mean that effortless cruising and water sports are on your horizon. Boasting stunning looks and delivering breathtaking performance, the new LX handles like nothing else on the water. It has great controls that allow you to carve and bank turns just like a runabout, giving you and your passengers a thrilling experience. With such great features, this model does not come cheap at $129,175 US. Finally, the most expensive on my list is the XT Luxury Pontoon. Treat yourself, friends, and family to unforgettable days on the water with Manitou's top-of-the-line pontoon boat. Unrivaled elegance and craftsmanship in every detail make every outing something everyone will be talking about later. The XT's bold, contemporary looks redefine what is expected of a luxury pontoon boat. This is an advanced vessel with digital controls and joystick steering. It also has cool touch vinyl seating and beautifully painted fiberglass walls. This model has the same starting price as a top-range Mercedes-Benz at $159,999 US. What do you think of my top choices for the latest Manitou pontoon boats? Let me know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this list, leave a thumbs up or comment, and don't forget to share the video to help grow the pontoon boat community. If it's your first time on my channel, subscribe and turn on all the notifications, so you won't miss another exciting video. Thanks everyone and smooth sailing.